Today I'm about to show you how you can use a free AI art generator to make copyright free photos like this or this or this. You don't have to paint anything. You'll just give this generator some words of what you want to create and it'll do it. And I'm going to show you how you can put these pictures on different products using Printful. And you can sell them online for prices like this, or even this $268 or more. You can make thousands a month doing this, and it's easy to do. And I'm gonna show you how. What's up guys, this is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, namaste. So the tool that you are going to need to use to make this art is called Midjourney. And you can sign up for a free account. It is still in the beta right now, which means they're testing it out. So y'all, when I tell you to hop on something, you need to do it quick. So once you sign up for Midjourney, it's going to prompt you to download Discord if you don't already have it. And once you have everything installed and ready to go, this is what your screen will look like. So what you'll have to do from here is go over to the side and go into one of these newbie rooms. And that's where you'll be able to generate your art. Now in here is like a chat forum. You can see what everybody has going on, but we're not worried about them, we're worried about us. And then at the bottom you'll see this bar that says message. And then what we'll have to do is press /imagine, because we're using our imagination, and hit enter. And then you'll see this prompt box pop up, and this is where you're going to tell it whatever it is that you want to create. It does not matter what it is. Let me show you. I'm going to say dog on moon 3D art, and then I'll hit enter and see what it generates. And an easy way for you to try to keep up with your images, because when you search for stuff and other people have stuff going on, it can get lost in this forum. We can go up here for the search and type in whatever our name is, and that will filter the results. We can just hit jump and go to whatever it is that we created, and literally in less than 10 seconds, look what it created. Exactly what I asked, a dog on the moon. So whatever you ask it to create is going to make, y'all. Now, although we can create anything, we don't want to just make anything, because we want to make sure we're making pieces that people will actually buy. And so to make sure I am creating the type of art that people are actually searching for and looking to buy, I use something called Sales Samurai. And so when I come to Sales Samurai, I am going to go to the search button, and then I'm going to come over here and search for art. And right here, over 26,000 people are looking for art every month on Etsy. So that's a good amount of people that you will have access to. However, the competition for this is pretty high. There's about 50,000 other products that you're going to have to fight to try to get to the top of the list. In order for you to increase your chances of being found by people, you want to try to find something that's on the lower end, usually around 1,000. It don't have to be necessarily 1,000. You could do a couple thousand. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to look at some keywords, and I'm going to click on Etsy search volume so we could get the highest ones. And then this is what people are looking for, other words that we can use. They have wall art, they have abstract art. I think abstract art is going to be a good one. Still getting 3,371 hits a month, and it says that the competition is low. And another good thing about this is it's going to give you some tags for you to upload so that you can make sure you're increasing your chances of your artwork being found. We can come down here, we can look at the top listings of canvas art, and we can also see the average price that they're selling these things for. Look at this, $130. $510, $515, and that can help you to determine how much to sell your stuff for too. So now that we have an idea of what we're going to create, in that message bar at the bottom, I'm going to type in that /imagine again, hit enter, and what we're going to tell it to do is make colorful neon 4K art. And y'all, look at this art that it came up with, again, in less than like 10 seconds. And you can actually sell this as is. You don't really have to do anything else to it if you don't want to. However, when you go and search the internet for AI abstract art, you're probably going to find a lot of stuff that looks like this, just because of the fact that people are just putting in pretty much the same prompts, and so they're getting really similar results. So we're going to add another layer to this, and in order to do that, first we're going to have to select one of the photos from here, and you can actually use all of them and save them all if you want to, but we'll have to upscale it. And in order to upscale it, which means make it larger so that we can use it for other stuff, we are going to select which one we want, either 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'm going to go with that one. I really like how it looks. And once it upscales it, it'll again make it bigger and look like this. And what we're going to do, we're going to open it in a browser so that we can go to the top and save the link. And you can also save the photo by just right clicking it and hitting save image. So once we have that link, then we're going to come back down here to the message. We'll hit again /imagine and enters, and we'll paste that link to that photo in there. And after it, I'm going to add lion, and then I'll just hit enter, watch it do its magic, and this is what it comes up with now, y'all. This is absolutely beautiful. And again, you can have this add and do whatever you want to it. You can add a car, you can add a plane to it, you can add whatever you want. Your imagination is the only limit to what this will create. Now this right here honestly will sell without you even doing anything else to it. But I'm going to take it up one more notch. Again, just in case somebody's on to us, we're going to create something a little extra. And I'm going to again choose which one of the photos that I like. I'm going to upscale it. Then I'll open it in the browser. I'm going to grab the link again, and I'll bring it down here by hitting /imagine, and then I'll paste that image into the browser. And what I'm going to add now, just hit space and add crown, because we want it to look rich and royal. But I'm also going to change the size of it, and we'll put space --AR space 2:3. And y'all, these are the options it gives us now. This is absolutely stunning. I like the first one the best, so I'm going to upscale that one. Remember, hit U1 to make it bigger for whichever one you want. And now, y'all, it gave us a nice size photo. Look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. It's abstract. It's powerful. I am actually going to be purchasing this. But let me know down in the comments what you think about this. And I'm going to open it in the browser, and then I'm going to save image. So in order to make sure we're able to sell this photo in a variety of different sizes, we're going to have to enlarge the image so that the quality stays the same. So there's actually a free way that you can do this by going to something called AI Image Enlarger. You just have to create a free account. So we're just going to take our image and drag it and drop it into there. And we want to make sure we make it 4 times bigger. And then we'll just hit start. And once it's done enlarging it, we'll just hit download, and this is what it's going to look like. Now, one thing I do want to mention, yes, you can use Midjourney for free. However, with the free account, it is only for non-commercial use. So you'll have to use it for your personal things. However, if you want to sell it, you will need a paid plan. And the paid plan is only about $10 a month. But you can make so many of these things. You can make a lot of money with this. But I wanted to make sure that you are aware of that, because I don't want you to go out here and you're not covered with the license and something happens, y'all. Now drop it down in the comments and let me know if you think that the process to create this artwork is easy. Because guess what? I'm about to make it even easier for you by using a print-on-demand company, which means we won't have to worry about printing out this artwork. We won't have to worry about shipping it to customers. And the print-on-demand company we will be using today is Printful. Thank you to Printful for working with me on this. And you can actually sign up for a free account by using my link below, and it does not take long to do. So the good thing about this is you are going to be able to sell this on any of these platforms. Shopify, Etsy. You can use your own Wix account. You can sell this on the Amazon marketplace. But from my experience, art does really well on a site like Etsy, and you still have access to over 80 million active buyers. In order to connect your Etsy store to Printful, is really easy to do once you create your account. And if you want to get 40 free listings, you can use my link below. But once you create an account, you just come over here, you hit connect to Etsy, and then I'll select allow access. So when you are ready to add your artwork to your store, you'll just hit add product. And so when we add a product, you can add anything. You can make mugs. You can sell men's t-shirts with this design. You can do hoodies. You can sell women's clothing. You can do phone cases. Like, the possibilities are really endless on the type of stuff you can sell. You don't have to just put it on a canvas or a poster, but that's what we are going to focus on today. So we're going to go to home and living. We'll click wall art, and there's so many options you can choose from. They have posters under here. They have different type of paintings. They have canvas, and when we're in here, we'll have to select which way we want it to be, vertical or landscape. I'll go vertical, and then I always choose all sizes because we want to give everyone a chance to choose whatever size canvas they want. Maybe they want a bigger or a smaller one, so that'll increase your chance of getting sales. And then we'll drag and drop our photo here, and when it comes up, for each of the sizes, you're going to have to go through and you're going to have to adjust it to make sure whatever part of that photo you want to be printed is in there. And you'll do that for all of them. And once you are done, you can title it. And again, from Sales Samurai, they showed you what titles people are using, the keywords to use. And usually for the description, they'll generate one, which I absolutely love. You don't have to worry about that. And I'm going through that part pretty fast because I don't want to waste a lot of your time. I actually talk in depth about it in another video. I'll make sure I link it up here so that you can go back and watch in case you need to see like more of a step-by-step. Let me take your hand and hold it and take you through this. But once it is submitted to your store, you're going to have to come over here to Etsy. And under listings, it'll be under your draft. And so we'll go to our drafts, we'll click on it, and as you can see, they already have your photos uploaded. They'll have the title in there for you. Most of it has been done for you, but one thing you will have to always make sure you do is select Printful as your partner. And if you have never done this before, adding a partner is really easy. You won't see this option because I've already created this, but you'll just go to add new production partner. You'll type in Printful, and as far as location, I'll put a link down for all their fulfillment centers. You just pick whichever fulfillment center is closest to you. No matter where it's at, just whichever one is closer to you. And I just put that they're a print-on-demand fulfillment company. And as far as about your partner, I selected that I don't have the technical ability or equipment to make it entirely by myself. My role, I design everything myself, and then my partner's role, they do everything for me as far as the printing and the shipping. And then you just save partner. It's as simple as that. At that point, all we have left to do is just hit publish, and then now we have that active listing. I cannot make this any easier than this. Midjourney made the photo for you, and Printful is going to print them and ship them for you. So I hope that this helps you on your journey to making this passive income this year. Whenever you make some sales, I always tell you guys, come and let me know because I want to see how you are doing. I'm not just putting it out here just because I want to hear myself talk, y'all. And if you have not liked this video, please go ahead on and like it for me. But other than that, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we are out. Peace.